In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change privacy settings on Edge. By the end, you will know exactly where the key privacy controls live and what they actually do. To get started, open Microsoft Edge on your Windows or Mac computer. Once it opens, you will see the main browser window with your usual start page or tabs. Make sure Edge is the active window before you move on. Now look to the very top right corner of Edge and click the three dots menu. It is a vertical row of three dots. When you click it, a drop-down menu appears with many options like New Tab, History, and more. From that drop-down menu, select Settings. The main window will change into the Settings page. On the left, you will see a list of sections, and on the right, the detailed options for whichever section is selected. Next, click Privacy, Search, and Services on the left side. The panel on the right updates to show privacy-related controls. You should now see sections like Tracking Prevention, Privacy, and Clear Browsing Data on this page. Take a moment to review the available privacy settings here. Scroll gently so you can see the full list. As you look through them, notice that many settings have short descriptions under the switch, telling you what they change. Under Tracking Prevention, you can now change how Edge handles trackers. You will see three options: Basic, Balanced, and Strict. Basic allows most trackers, which usually means all sites work smoothly, but you get less privacy. Balanced, which is marked as recommended, blocks trackers from sites you have not visited before. Strict blocks most trackers, which can increase privacy but may cause some websites to break or fail to load parts of the page. For a good mix of privacy and compatibility, choose Balanced if you are unsure. When you click one of these options, the highlight moves immediately, and Edge starts applying that level without needing to restart the browser. Next, Manage Cookies. Go to Settings, then Cookies and Site Permissions, then Manage and Delete Cookies and Site Data. On this page, you can control whether websites are allowed to save cookies in Edge, and you can see or remove any stored website data. Beginners often forget that deleting cookies can sign you out of sites, so keep that in mind before clearing everything. After that, manage website permissions. Stay in Settings, then Cookies and Site Permissions, then open All Permissions. Here you can control access to location, camera, microphone, notifications, pop-ups, and JavaScript. Each permission opens its own page where you can allow or block that feature. You can also manage permissions for individual websites, which is handy when one site needs your camera, but you do not want every site to have it. Now turn on Do Not Track. Go to Settings, then Privacy, Search and Services, then find the Privacy section. Turn on Send Do Not Track Requests. Edge will now send this signal with your browsing, although websites are not required to honor it, so some may still track you. Finally, Clear Browsing Data. Still under Settings, then Privacy, Search and Services, go to Clear Browsing Data. Here you can choose what to delete, such as browsing history, cookies, cached files, and other stored data. When you confirm, those items are removed from Edge, which can help with privacy and also sometimes fix loading issues. You have now walked through Microsoft Edge privacy settings, adjusted tracking, cookies, permissions, do not track, and cleared browsing data. If this helped you lock down Edge a bit more, a quick thumbs up would really help others find it, and feel free to subscribe for more browser tips.